So I decided to go back to relaxers at about 6 months. I was gonna say 6 months post-op. Girl, what? I decided to go back to relaxers when I was like in my 6-month mark of my natural hair journey. It just wasn't for me. It would give on certain days, but like them certain days I had to do so much work for it to give. And girl, I don't have time for that. Like, and as soon as I would do all my work, I would go outside and it would just be like I didn't do anything. And then like I would go to sleep, I would wake up, and it was like I didn't do anything. So I'm just like, no, like I don't have time for that. Where's the creamy crack? I don't have time for that. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yemi Adriana if you're new. And girl, I did it. I did. I went back to relaxers. I did. I went back to relaxers. I don't regret it, not one bit. I am in love and I am happy with my decision. And I just have to understand, accept, and realize that I'm a relaxer girl. I am a straight up cream crack relaxer girl. Like, give me the relaxer. Give me the olive oil. I'm now doing normal strength though. I'm not doing extra strength anymore. But give me the olive oil normal strength relaxer. Like, girl, get into it. I'm gonna do a full 360. Get into it. Get into it. It's giving. It's literally giving. I actually relaxed my hair 12 weeks ago. So I relaxed my hair for the first time 12 weeks ago, but I typically always use the extra strength relaxer, and I was like, okay, I'm going to do it the healthy way this time, so I'm just going to use a normal strength. I'm going to leave it on for the amount of time that the box says, which was like 18 to 25 minutes. So I did that, and girl, my African ancestors laughed at me, honey. It was like, girl, who do you think you are? Why do you think this is going to work for you? Like, no ma'am. So my hair did not take. I mean, no, it did not take. It was extremely curly. It was cute. It was a vibe. I'll try to insert a picture if I can remember. But it was extremely curly. So then when I would go outside or I would air dry or something, it was just like really coarse, and it was just, it wasn't giving. It wasn't giving. So I waited 12 weeks, 12 complete weeks, and I relaxed it again. And this is what I'm going to show you guys. So I relaxed it again, and then after I put it on all of my roots, I went ahead and I put it on the remaining strands of my hair again. And I left that on for like 10 minutes. So I did that, rinsed it out, and it still wasn't bone straight. So I'm just going to move forward with the texture that I have. I still have some texture in there. I still have some curls in there. So I believe that that is honestly what's best for me, because then when I want to do styles, I'll have life and volume still into my hair, and it will still be stronger than what it would typically be if I was fully 100% processed. So I'm just going to leave the texture in there, because she obviously ain't trying to go nowhere, and I'm not going to put relaxer on my entire head 3 times. That's a little dramatic. So anywho, that's what you guys are going to see in today's video. So I hope you enjoy it, and I'm back, y'all. I'm back, and I'm here to stay. I'm here to stay.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing. game. It's a rich thing.
So I haven't decided if I want to see professionals or if I want to just kind of learn and do it myself. The only thing is I'm in Atlanta, and girl, I'm not paying your rent to get my hair done. Like, I'm not doing it. These Atlanta prices are unacceptable, and they offer the bare minimum work. If you're in the Atlanta area and you know someone who specializes in relaxed hair, let me know. But the people that I've researched and I found, girl, no, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. So right now I'll probably just be focusing and learning my hair myself. But as for now, yeah, I'm about to just embrace this journey and just have accepted the fact that natural hair is not for me. It's just not. If it's for you, kudos, girl, you got the patience. But for me, girl, goodbye. I am a relaxer girl. Give me the olive oil ORS normal strength relaxer and let me go on about my day. I'm sorry, but I'm happy and I love it. So relaxer hair community, welcome me back with open arms. I'm not gonna say never, but I will never leave y'all again. I can't do it. The natural, it's just too much. It's too much. If you have time for that, kudos to you, girl. But me, no. I'm gonna stay right here where I'm at. So I'm back and she's giving and I'm happy. I love it. I'm back. I will probably be wearing my hair out a lot because I just hate wigs so much. I absolutely hate wigs. So yeah, this is what she's looking like. I'm so happy to be back. But anywho, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah.